students, now I'm going to start chapter 12 and the name of the chapter is Exponents and Powers. Now, this is an introduction video in which I'll discuss about exponents and powers and the laws of exponents, okay? Now suppose if I want to find the square of 2. So how will you write this? It's 2 to the power 2. It means 2 into 2, 4. Now, if you want to find the cube of this number, cube of 2, then what would be? It's 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. So that means when you are finding the square of any number, then the power is 2. When you are finding the cube of any number, then the power is 3. So this is called exponent. Now suppose if I take the number 10 to the power 24, okay, here 10 is the base and 24 is the exponent, okay. And how do we read this number? We read as 10 raised to the power 24, okay. Now if the power is negative, then how would you solve it? Suppose we have 10 to the 2. Now when the power is 2, we'll write the base twice. So 10 into 10 is 100. Now when the exponent decreases by 1, now here the exponent was 2, now it is decreases by 1, so it will become 10 to the power 1. Now 10 to the power 1 means value is 10 only. Now how we are getting 10? It's when, always remember, when value of the exponent decreases, when the exponent decreases, here the exponent was 2, now it has become 1. When the exponent decreases by 1, the value becomes 1/10 of the previous value. Now previous value was 100, so it will be 1/10 of the previous value. So previous value was 100 and 1/10 of this is 1 by 10. Now if you cancel 0, you will get 10. So here it is 10, okay. Now again suppose the exponent it decreases from 2, it has become 1, up down from 1 it has become 0 suppose. So what will be the value of 10 to the power 0? Now we know that if exponent decreases from 2, it has become 1, now from 1 it has become 0, then the value becomes 1/10 of the previous value. Now previous value was 10, so 10 1/10 of the previous value means previous value was 10, now 1/10 of 10 is 10, 10 cancel, will get 1. So value of 10 to the power 0 is 1. Now if the exponent is negative, say this is -1, then again the exponent decreases. So if it decreases by 1, then value becomes 1/10 of the previous value. Now this time previous value was 1, so 1 into 1 by 10, so it will be 1 by 10, right? Now when it will become, when you will have to find the power, when you will have to find the power of 10 to the power -2, again see it decreases by 1, so the value becomes 1/10 of the previous value. Now previous value was 1 by 10 now, so 1 by 10 of 1 by 10 of 1 by 10, because when value decreases or when the exponent decreases, value becomes 1/10 of the previous value. Previous value was 1 by 10 and every time we are multiplying by 1/10. So when you will multiply this to 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 is 1 by 100. Now 1 by 100 can be written as 10 square, okay. Now Now in this way, when you will have to find the power of 10 to the power minus 3, it will become 1 by 10 to the power 3. Okay, so that means what we have observed here, that to make the power positive, we will just write the base is 10 here. We will just write the base in reciprocal form. So here, see, we have 10 as base and there is no digit in the denominator, right? Now we will just write the opposite of this. So 10 by 1 will be 1 by 10 and minus 3 will be plus 3. So if a to the power minus m is there, to make the power positive, we will write the base, which is a here, in multiplicative inverse form. So a will be 1 by a and power will be positive. So this is one of the law of exponent. Okay, so to make the power positive, we will just write the number in multiplicative inverse form. Okay, now suppose we have 4 by 5 to the power minus 3. Okay, now how will you make the number positive? How will you make the exponent positive? We will just write the number in reciprocal form. Now reciprocal means denominator will become the numerator and numerator will become the denominator. So 4 will be in the denominator and 5 will be in the numerator. So it will become 5 by 4 to the power 3. Okay. Now we'll see the laws of exponents. See, law 1. We have, say, a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n. So here we have the base as a and power as m and n. So when we have the same base, then we will just add the power if in between multiply sign is there. Okay, if the base is same and in between multiply sign is there, then powers are added. So it will be a to the power m plus n. Okay, now look at the example based on this. Say we have 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 3. So just now we have seen. So according to the law, when we have the same base, then powers are added. So we will write the base and we will add the power. So it will become 2 to the power 5. Now how we have got this? See, 2 to the power 2 means we have 2 times 2 and 2 to the power 3 means we have 3 times. So how many 2's we have got? It's 2 to the power 5. But we will just use the law to find this. Okay, when we have the same base and in between multiply sign is there, we'll just add the power. Okay, now coming to next law. Now law number 2 is a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Then when we have the same base and in between divide sign is there, then powers are subtracted. So we'll write the base and we'll just subtract the power. Okay, so it will become a to the power m minus n. Now just take an example based on this. Say here is 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 3. So according to this law, if the base is same and in between divide sign is there, then powers are subtracted. So 2 to the power 5 minus 3. So it will be 2 to the power 5 minus 3 is 2. So it will be 2 to the power 2. Okay, so that means when we have the same base and in between divide sign is there, then powers are subtracted. Now coming to law number 3, which is a to the power m whole to the power n. A to the power m and this whole to the power n, then we just multiply the power. So we'll write the base and powers of power will be multiplied. So it will be m multiplied by n, which is mn. Just take an example now based on this, which is, say 5 to the power 2 whole to the power 3. This 3 is the power of 5 square. Okay, so when we have power of power, we just multiply the power. So according to the law, we'll write the base, which is 5 here, and then powers to be multiplied. So it will be 2 multiplied by 3, so it will become 5 to the power 6. Okay, so this was the third law. Now coming to next. Now fourth law is a to the power m divided by b to the power m. So here we have different base, but the power is same. So when we have different base, we'll just divide the base. Okay, a divided by b, and since power is same, so we'll write the power here. Okay, so it's a by b whole to the power m. Now let's take an example based on this. Say we have 5 cube into 2 cube. Okay, say we have 5 cube divided by 2 cube. So when we have different base, we just divide the base. So it's 5 divided by 2, and since the power is same, so we will write 5 divided by 2 whole to the power 3. Now law number 5 is a to the power m multiplied by b to the power m. So when we have two different base and power is same, then we just multiply the base. So a into b is ab, but the power is same, so we can write it as power m. Okay, so when we have two base, different base, let's take an example. Say we have 2 cube and 3 to the power 3. So what we have seen here, two different base. So two different base to be multiplied at first, and since power is same, so we'll write the power as 3 on both. So 3 to the here 2 into 3 is 6, 6 to the power 3. Okay, now law number 6 is anything to the power 0 is 1. When the power is 0, value is 1. Here we have proved that anything to the power 0 is 1. Here we have seen. Okay, so here if the value is say 6, if the number is say 6 and the power is 0, then the value of this exponential form will be 1. So anything to the power 0 is 1. Whatever be the number, if the power is 0, then the value is 1. Now we will see how to write the number in standard form. Suppose the number is 5000. Now 5000 can be written as 5 into 1000. Right? Now 5 multiplied by, here we have 3 zeros, so 10. Here 1000 can be written as 10 cube. Since we have 3 zeros, so this we can write it as power. So 10 cube means 1000. So this number we have written in standard form. So this, when you write the number in exponential form, then this is known as standard form. Now suppose the number is 0.0005. You will have to write the number in standard form. Now how will you write the number in standard form? So at first we will have to remove the decimal. So if you remove the decimal, 5 will come. Okay, and since after decimal 4 places, 4 digits, so with 1 we will have 4 zeros. Okay, now how to write the number in small size? Like here we have 10,000. Now since 4 zeros are there, so it will be 10 to the power 4 if you write in short form, right? Now 10 to the power 4 means when you multiply 4, when you multiply 10 4 times, you will get 10,000. Now here if you take this number to the numerator, what would you get? 5 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4. Here this positive 4 will become minus 4 when place changes. Since we are taking the number from denominator to numerator, so So the power will be here power was positive, so power will be negative. So this number 0.005 0.0005 a will be equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 in standard form. Okay.